It's 8 a.m. in the morning, guys, and morning session has started from 8 to 12. I have 4 hours in my hand, and right now I have not done breakfast yet, so I have to do breakfast also in the same period. So basically, in this morning session, I am going to study. A morning session is for sociology. It is reserved for sociology. That is my optional subject. And let's see, in sociology today schedule is today is 12th September, guys, and 9th September target was stratification and mobility, and 16th September my next text is, and the syllabus is politics and society unit 6 part 1. So basically in this stratification and mobility, I have not covered one topic, that is social mobility, and the rest thing is politics and society, which I will try to cover these units. First I will try to finish this unit, stratification and mobility, and then I will move on this politics and society. So this is about sociology, and this is about morning session. And I have set my table here. This is my table, you can say, and it is my chair. This is chair and table. These are books. These are some syllabus portion, and this is for improving English vocabulary. Many times we get some sociology related terminologies, vocabulary. I write them on a single together. I accumulate there in some pages so that I can refer them again and again. And basically, guys, the purpose to make these videos, I will call them as accountability videos. Basically, just like it brings transparency in the life, transparency in this room, that I now I'm not alone. You guys are with me, so it's transparency. And once I listen that Supreme Court says that in terms of regarding transparency, that sunlight is the best disinfectant. Just and room is there, and space is there, area is there, and if sunlight comes there, then that area will become total disinfectant. Means the chances of germs, bacteria, other kind of that insects will not grow, because sunlight will be there. So similarly, the making transparency in the schedule by making these videos gives accountability. It acts as a sunlight, and now no ill activity, no bad things could occur in this room. Okay, guys, so that is the main purpose of making these videos. Plus also to improve my English communication skills, because I face certain issue while speaking in English. Many times I stuck on some words, grammatically incorrect word, or I am not using idioms and phrases while speaking, so I have to speak long sentences instead of just one idiom or one phrase. I can substitute them with. Okay, so even I noticed that despite commitment of making regular videos, 4 videos after just at the starting of morning, afternoon, and evening and night session, and 4 shorts video at the end of these 4 sessions, but I am even after making commitment to you guys, I am not following. So what I decided to measure thing, because once the very famous scholar said, the things which you can't measure, you can't manage. So in order to measure these videos also, I made a schedule list here, like it's September, and these are like morning session, afternoon, evening, night session, and this is for video at the starting of the session, video, and this is for shorts. So basically I will put tick and cross, so it will remind me to I have to do this thing. Really, it's very important. I know maybe some of you guys are thinking that it's a meaningless task, and it will not contribute to anything regarding covering syllabus for UPSC or becoming an IAS officer. If you have such opinion and such advice, any suggestion, please don't mention to give your feedback in the comment section also. I am eagerly waiting for your comment and your responses. So just like now I am making this morning video. So what I am going to do, how I am going to mention it, measure it. Basically, let me hold the pen with the right hand. So yeah, so today is 12th September, and 12th September is here, and this column is for the wake up video, which you can see on my shorts, like 7 a.m. wake up time, that way. So that I have done. So yes, I will put a tick on this. Okay, now this is for this morning session. This column is for morning session, and here are two check options are here. One is for video, V stand for video, S stand for shorts. Video I made at the starting of the session, just like right now it's 8 a.m. So I will make video before the session, what I am going to do in this session, telling to you guys that thing. So in this I bring transparency here, so I will put a tag, yes, I made this video. Okay, now as I move on in the whole day time, because whole day, if you count, it may look to you that your day is very short, but if you divide in certain section component, you do in sessions, then you will find you have ample amount of time, you have huge time. So now as I move on throughout the day, then I will put a tick or cross, whatever will be the result. Okay, here. So guys, I think this is sufficient for this video. Thank you very much for watching this video. Stay tuned with IAS Yatri. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.